Okay, now we'll move on to the other two and get them done. Bring the piston up to top dead center. Fix the ring spacing. Okay, last cylinder going on. Then we'll put the heads on after we get these done.
Celebration of 30 years of the Elvis and Friends radio show happens on Friday night.
Okay, now we'll move along to the heads.
The Elvis and Friends tribute concert.
Got my head sitting here, ready to go on. Up. I gotta put the gaskets on the push rod too. I forgot about it. I took the seals off that I was putting on here that came with that shitty gasket kit. They just didn't feel right. They're kind of hard. So I got the seals out of a better gasket kit that I had.
I just want to share this with you. This is the award presentation to Elvis. And we'll give you a couple of those.
Yeah, they feel much better. And I'll put these on and throw these damn things away. I don't think I'll use anything else out of that gasket kit. Okay, I had to stop for a while. The memory card in the camera got filled. So now we'll continue and put the head on.
That's 610-992-1790 or BrightLightDesignCenter.com. Bright Light Design Center, see for yourself at the lighting experts at King of Prussia, Wilmington, and Quebec. And don't forget to check out the energy-saving Seagull lighting collection.
Sweetie, look, it's Sarah and Chad. They're getting married.
Yeah, you know what? Why don't you tell me something I don't know?
Well, let's see. You're rude. You're a jerk. The only reason I
Now we'll add the push rod tubes.
$500 on my car insurance, which I spent on shoes. I didn't have a headache last Tuesday night. I ate that haircut. My mother saw you naked last time she stayed with us. Yeah.
You saved $500 on your car insurance with Nationwide? I didn't know Nationwide did that. Life comes at you fast. Nationwide Insurance will give you the great coverage you expect with the discounts you deserve, which could save you like $500.
On the push rod tubes there's a seam. Always have the seam up when you install the tubes.
Products underwritten by Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company, Home Office, Columbus, Ohio, subject to licensing guidelines review and approval, not available in all states.
Why settle for going to a couple of games when you can go for 6? Phillies MVP 6-game packs are an easy way to guarantee tickets to this year's hottest games, like the Red Sox and the Mets. You can choose convenient dates, select your favorite rival teams, or nab the best giveaways. You're in charge.
I slide the push rods in to keep the tubes in place till I get them set.
Dreaming of a longer timber home? Don't miss the Somerset Log and Timber Home Show at the Garden State Exhibit Center in Somerset, New Jersey, April 4th, 5th, and 6th. This is the #1 log home show in the nation as it comes to your area. Experience the lifestyle as you browse unique furnishings to complete your logger timber home not found anywhere else. All at the Garden State Exhibit Center in Somerset, New Jersey.
Sunday morning radio program. Whether you're black or white,
Just the king.
young or old, you're listening to the Elvis and Friends Show with Rock and Ron King.
Now we'll put the head washers on and the head nuts.